Okay, we got a garage. We got a garage with some bottom rotted edge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change all the home site board to OSB. We're gonna cut 16 inches up on the inside and the outside. New pressure treated plate along the deck, and sister in all of the 2x4s, 24-inch 2x4s all the way up. Okay. We're gonna end up having to do some revamping on this door because we're trimming it anyways. We did do helmet heat on the house that is working exceptional. We also have an issue with the header. We're going to replace the homo site board on the front here, and we're going to replace this header with a we're going to get a double 11-inch lam beam and try to get this sag out of this header here. It's all going to be new trim. So that's what we're going to do. So on the inside, we're going to snap a line, come up 16 inches on the inside, all 3 walls. Sister in. We'll probably go 8 feet at a time, support our roof line a little bit, and sister into the wall studs and go from there. And then we're going to have to disconnect the garage door and reinstall the what do you call it on the garage door. Okay. It does have an opener. So we'll be using the man door for a while.